Mame Mao Akwaba and found Bragan and TV so or friend me Adorye setting. Na ebusia for answer na no. Say wo abrochi and I say wo Ghana ha. Na wo ye program bi et say engagement wedding and I say funeral. Na ope obi a obeba betwa video no e dey ama and I say oba betwa pictures na me kire quality videos and I say quality pictures and for any engine e wo baby I say cam hacks number no e na e da screen so no na djuma ho etwa yi papa Ghana ha baby a wo bia o fe na obeba abetwa program no e dey ama and I say empo wo ama no ne e na wo hweye e na wo be program e na wo atoto ania uhu obia wo betwa program no e dey ama wa contact number na e da screen so wo betwa wo djuma no yopo e dey ama say quality videos na quality pictures party and for any engine or baby and I say empo open the bit say camera light and I say drone e the child programmer and so o contact na obeba ababeya ma fe
ni pa ne ba monten so be reply wetimi anya akukuduro aka wo sia di assess so ni pa ko be camera say one potam na ire no do so good we ire kwasem pani we ojo so good oba waye ayitete ba eno ase obi susu mbasa basa wadane plastic rubber ijaka na no na ne we nipa won say ya ye pese ye na ye pese ye politics party aboa through party na renya obai ware party aboa mo ware party aboa mo sakwa no when this ye na ni mu ma me ya wo so na wudi na temi pon potamanso ma me na gina platforms with so wonsa ye campaign ma big time edien na esie edien ne bai ne koda sore ya ubi wano na mami ubi wano na niku ubi wano na mami ubi wano na niku sere kire e wona se enso ntrim de wu da ade ntia because now I public figure item pen na do asem no but a time will come mo bi en kase ba omianye a time will come ono so be sa ase do we na do se wujimi kire na hu a o face so do we mpanikufo so wudi nkwasasema on say o mpanikufo on so kanani so o ma office o ma o men no feel so ye nipa because who say we aboa wana the kufo ne na na do ye me say a time will come that time move we be the same thing this time there you see the brebre ne dwaboa tete hu ne krona to wadwen so akwache ne kundu sa me jimi kwase aman na edru na so kwaje ye na wo ko hu say dru utirimu po eye bone na nya dwom bone na wo say ode kwakwache na isi den na nka wo ko so akwaje dru beni na nka akwaye ndey asoma kan na yentro ene wo na account ka betra hoi kamanyi ni sen gese nka yo nyansani nka beka ho krasem o e bi meni nka sa me de ano na nka sa me kwache ano me sheda me ye na o me ye ya wagura yidie ase badwene ba ya wagura yidie hu ye hu aye ka se ye hu ye asere ne kwanti sa na ye nyesi bia bibia ni vanish afina akotra ho ono wa ye hwan ana o ifri mfri Ghana ana o ye ma wo kwa ma o mi u ni je de ya na ye mi ya se wo kwasempani ya wo free to go team betras be she ma ye Ghana fo na ye kinipa o ye Ghana ni ya wo ni se na ba ma ye Ghana ni obi ono e ma me ya santini na wo kwasi na free to go wo wunchi na free to go wonya me kanya da je timbe ke ken kwasi asema che obere na wo ya se wo abeka mu hye manwumere ensem bi akoso eni odu bi mi bi jagumu odu ye be koso a were mesi se were na eni ese wo mpede a jai politics ka yere ni nyansafo anko mo atwe wo fi politics ni osiere na da ogufo do here wo de ye no here wo ye wo chehene na me yi si na obi bia na me bu bia na me kun na me mbie ma no nkasa nse obi na me no me yi bia me take action a time will come. Hopeson, a time is coming. What the kind of my walk? A time is coming. To top up. See a man, some area politician. What in a politician? I want an area politician. Oh, Jimmy Babitana. Crusting yes, it's a boa. I saw the quatrain, the Sabato say, Ube Kono. Now, what do you mean? Mushaman, I bet a wholesome nabi. See my woody. Oya dear, Centrofo na motiwa modie, nyatum. Abranti we soria, sie no gubere, ya. So obi ni munyam fo baasi. Na wo kura senior tete kwa bi agimfo a wa mmobere bia na odidi nkrofo na ase. Ke kan kwasasam kire ma me obi ke bi kire wa ye wo ya. Eye wo ya. Obi kan wa se mana na me de ha mfa telephone wi me na mara ho frɛ me. Ka me dress wa shi won tade a shi obabo ne shoe na bo powder. Try.
Because he said that is not the president's orientation. Onwa Kanye, or you're committed to completing Agenda 111. Onwa Kanye, or you're committed to ensuring free SHS ebe jine ye, and ne why expand the crowd senior high for private schools na ba beka ho and that reminds me, mampani private schools na do ma beka senior high no ho we dey mean free one term. Nkofo bebre wo questions kakra because as a nhyehyeye no enye free sir for private schools no. Because near headmasters of private schools and now proprietors of some of these private schools can say government does not take up the entire cost. Even though I buy woman students nibi. I say I buy any private schools no a cost sharing. But the concept is free SHS. They say, Mampeni ye de private schools na beka free SHS no a adabra ka esre. They must have the full complement of free SHS because they are Ghanaians. And say koba say ye ma private schools no sikane fa na ne aka no parents enkotua because the feedback we are getting from some of these headmasters and our owners of these schools no a buying does not take up the entire cost of free education for private schools now. Modio mabeka free SHS no. Mr. President, please, mohena mo addresses adie no. Because we campaign promise. Mo na mo ka se mo be manage na nemumu no kra mo the private schools na beka ho. Sa beka ho a they must enjoy the full benefit of free SHS. Policy expansion ayeye. Yemfa no entwere ho na yento ankomo no so. Ti mampani ye besre say niema na ebi yi niti at the district level, the local level, yen nti amato bebo fa asem we ni say local governance is the heartbeat of development. Local governance, it is the heartbeat of development. Impunto bia ni wa be shase free suraba form, e shase free form na kosoro. Enti say this is ni MPC NTA na this is bi aba office omo mindset ni say projects o meto ye omo nto aso mbe ye omo de problem ade ba ko nso epie ye before the committee and say this is an answer districts ni bi e the fake documents and e be defend e wo ho fake documents. Na baby amidi ya okakra ene committee no. Committee na agitu mu se ebi mu the fake documents ne bae. Ebebu akonta. Yet committee na small kan ne say it shouldn't happen again. Hey, no be a falsified document. Ye ka akontabu o, ye de oman sika bremu se mu fanya adwuma wo district. Na ehun akontabuo ehun receipts ebi ye fake a ne ebeka ne se mo hwe na de we nsi next year biem. Somebody ought to be punished for presenting a falsified document or a fake document. Na me tena se me hwe sa audit sittings of the local government committee something is equally coming up, and that has to do with the quality of personnel ayewo manning yen districts. Across the local governance ye jitum but yembu enti ye de zuku fo bebre akogu ho. Koso timitie district director of finance
98.9.
Utimitie coordinating director bi na no kasa. Ene enchirechiremu a wode ma sometimes the reasoning, your busa or question. Adwene ne kura na wode ka asem no wo busa say na we class 1 you kura be ka asem we. Sometimes you wonder the caliber of people are ye do ma local level say omunko hema development enyina, and you see say local level na ye nya the right human resource, ye nya leaders papa anko sa local level wa na ye no suru ha nyina na enkosi aga ebimpo ntimi express wo mo ho ebimpo, and some of the DCs can't even express themselves. Enya brofo asem o enya brofo asem unza asem no se wonnim ne wo ka eno nko ena wonnim ne wo ka na emom no wonni brofo ade be ka eno so nko, but some of them they come very empty from DCs, MCs, enyo mu nyina ebimo to district coordinators, any directors of finance. I don't get it. Is it because there is a problem with accountability? And I say, Ampampa Chirano Muntimin Chiromunsemu. Uzo ubu akontane sisisu a ho chiro. Eno no kasa kura na na esta eno ho. Ena ne asem na eda ho no emu da ho pa obet anka asem no wo chire mu anka betima chire, but wontimi mpo nchire na asem sa nipa no oye den na oye adwuma bebre abegu omu ho animu ase before the committee last week. Bebre abegu omu ho animu ase this is bisu begu omu ho animu ase poto. You see, I can be sena brofo nye kasa intimi enfa brofo njaje amanfo. But documents are a good DC animuno sebe yentro wanguna kasemu. Documents are a good MC animuno sebe yentro wotwi kasemu yatro no brofum. Enti nipa no ode brofo na ekoye adwuma. Na se brofo no wonte a sebe mu documents a ode koye adwuma no obeti ase na obetimi ate ase interpreti ama watimi agina so take decisions abebo omanfo ana mejitum sabrofo nye kasa, but Ghana your official language is English. Ghana ha our official language is English because tribe bia won kasa obi anso ye proud of ne kasa. Ana yenje one local dialect into muse enoni official language. Ye pen kabomuntu obi anka ne kasa, na mom ye se ye ko office ne ye ko school a. Kasa ye de be ye biribia ye brofo. Ya je atum asoman. Ti se obeye DC na sa official language no, wo ye deficient wo mu a. Enkrata wo de be ye adwuma nyina so so English kasa mu. Se brofo no wonte a sebe ya chrobetu wanimu a obetimi akan ate ase na wetimi edi akwadwendwene mu atake decision a ebebo omanfo ana. A challenge for me. A challenge for me. And clearly before the committee, some of the people who have been appointed as DCs and MCs struggle to communicate in this official language of Ghana. Onipa sano
FM 98.9
obetimi attractive investors abkone district ana obetimi akwabon amanone akopetche ne district se me district ye wo abundance of share nut mo wo abanone a ebi a mo ye nku mo ye cosmetics ne ade no. It can be an important raw material source e de amamo. This year won't me expressing one tenebro for no sabiamu so what she investor be for US at their court the district so uncle set it up a share manufacturing and as a share butter manufacturing planter. Obey saying na obe convincing woman saying I am not placing unnecessary premium on English. But committee na nim no mo kwotena no o man ka frafra o mo ka brofo financial statements, any balance sheets, any documents are a good DC yanim. Ya chono brofum. Ensusu edananim wohunu hwe. Ontimi nkasa, ontimi express no ho, ontimi nkyerensem mu. Coordinating director be somu a no wase asem no kra. Ti last week me monitor de na nam se there be. A lot of Ghanaians didn't monitor the local government committee's audit hearings. Bebre a public accounts committee there, but the one on local governance, we bebre na me observation kakrenie. I'll call on His Excellency the President. I'll call on the local government minister, Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim. You are a hard-working, fantastic man. Sir Jumedia Konewe, Ebesre. DC is now almost exhibiting some level of weakness, Ebesre. Sir capacity building program bin abeya moma, munya crash course in Maomo.
Happy FM 98.9.
Ebinimu nim how the public sector even works. DC is better ho. They are clueless about the role of the coordinating director. Sir. Minimu de senior MPs ye orientation ma wo na ye de omo ko entitie mu kakra ma wo timi appreciate parliamentary rudiments no. Some of these MMDCs Mampeni would need their capacity to be raised. And Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim, I know, sir, you are focused and you are going to deal with this. Some of the MDCs need capacity building. Some need an upgrade. Share a DCBS UFA no. We the district one no in a month. You bet me a kind of number of times oko because I feel no school. I feel no school. Before the committee, no person waka say Bangalore in ready. Entina only district ho. But later, before the committee, there they say, because our school entia, and that is affecting development. And that you hear DC office, DC in your or lectures. So, Your Excellency, you trust anonym se na chiachia. Ye no mu bi no mu na ye be twema adwen asisa na mai bi muso. Aban we 4 years pe. The first year, one, it is too early. Says some DCEs exhibiting clear conflict between women and MPs. Too early for a 10-month-old government. Na 10 months in na DC ni MP and your primary time so their development in about Bokra o my monitoring of near course before the committee, I reinforcing my position said we need to elect MMDCEs, but not along partisan lines. There were professors, there were engineers, there were tried and tested leaders within our communities are Sankanya MPP ni NDC. Ombetimi de omho asi ho aye DCs ni MCs. But adena kwere by appointment inti. Ne waye adwuma kase de ama party ene ma ne ye DC. Nantom DC say teacher ni pa obi a trained teacher pa. Na so we expressing who cry driama no. I was say party rewarding crowd for intisenipa no one sem fata oni competencies are ye here for the job of near the amano because one farmer na party for people fu our constituency. At the end of the day, the larger society suffers from inept leadership, ineffective leadership. We did see community be a course before the committee last week.
How is your district doing? My district is doing very well, but in terms of peace, averagely or relatively, Good.
How long have you been in office?
I've been in office in May.
Since May.
July, August, October. 6 months ago,
Okay.
I've been in office, please.
How much have you generated internally so far?
Thank you, Chair. In terms of our internally generated funds, we have generated 194,597.
Is it a district or municipal?
We are a district. So with this amount, we are ahead of what we planned for.
Are you the one to tell me whether you are ahead or you are? How much have you received common fund?
So far, we have received 5,641,158.
You are fidgeting too much. What is the problem? Why are you fidgeting like that? Is everything all right?
Yes, Chair, I'm all right.
You are fidgeting.
Okay.
So relax and let's talk. Okay?
Yes.
Who is your member of parliament?
Honorable Dr. Mohammed Sharif Abdul Khalik.
So does he support you? Because we have complaints here, and a few of the complaints are about the district and the way you want to be forward. Do you get support from your member of parliament?
Yes, please.
What does he do in Nanton?
Nanton is the chief executive. In terms of
Nanton.
Nanton.
That's how you pronounce
Nanton.
Not Nanton. It's
Any
Nanton.
of them,
Okay.
if the spelling is same.
Okay, good.
Put your mic off.
Oh, okay.
I am Alhaji Mohammed Shaibu, the coordinating director.
Shane Adorye is my name, the audit committee chair.
Zachary and Abdul Basit, procurement officer.